Finding the best keywords to target. Okay, so of course we want to get traffic from YouTube, the video sites themselves, but ideally we'll also get traffic to our video from the search engines. What happens is because YouTube is such a popular website, when people go in, let's say for example I go to YouTube and I type in dog training tips, you can see one of the very first results are YouTube videos. So how do we get our videos to place in there? Simple, by picking the right keywords. So how do we find the right keywords? Well, we need to do keyword research. Now that's a bit beyond the scope of this video series. I want to direct you towards a wonderful free resource that you can use to find keywords. It's called Matt's Free Keyword Tool, and it's something that you can go ahead and download, and it will help you find the right keyword tools. Let me go ahead and just show you an example. Oftentimes people pick keywords that have too much competition, meaning that you will not be able to rank high enough. So let's say for example I want to rank for the word dog. Of course there is so much competition on the internet for dog. I need to go a bit longer. It's called long tail keywords. So if I tried to rank then for let's say dog training, let's say dog trainer in Chicago, let's say that's your business, then what happens is all of a sudden there is a lot less competition. In fact, there are less than 10,000 sites that have that exact phrase on there. So that phrase is going to be a lot easier to rank in YouTube than just dog. So it makes sense, right? Now you also want to make sure that you look at the search volume for keywords, meaning does it have enough searches? Because if it doesn't get searched for enough, you won't get enough visitors. So let's say, for example, that I call my video, let's say, dog training secrets for dogs that just won't stop barking. Okay, so competition wise, there are no sites in the whole internet that have that exact phrase, meaning that if I create a video and called it that, it'll be pretty easy to rank for that phrase. However, that phrase is not going to be searched for very often because it's not something people type in a lot. So how in the world do you determine both the competition for a keyword phrase and also how often it is searched for? Well, you need a keyword tool. And that's exactly what Matt's Free Keyword does. So there's also a gauge that helps you find, the sweet spot is what I call it, as far as how much competition, also how much traffic a keyword should have, whether or not you should consider going after it. So that's how it works. And so I highly suggest that you go out and go to mattsfreekeywordtool.com and download the keyword video. And there's also additional videos there that talk in more depth about how to do keyword research, so you understand how to pick the titles for your YouTube videos. In fact, sometimes I even use the keyword research to figure out what type of videos I want to make from the start. So go ahead and check it out. And we'll move on to the next video, which is getting our video, of course, to get out there and start getting some traffic.